Hello everyone, I'm now in Huawei UPS lab. Today, I will unveil the inside detail design of Huawei SmartLi and its battery module. This is Huawei SmartLi cabinet. It has the same size with Huawei modular UPS. It means SmartLi UPS solution has higher consistency. SmartLi integrates the breaker, intelligent battery management module, fuses, battery modules, and LCD screens inside. SmartLi is also a unique design, and it's different from the industry ion batteries. With Huawei's unique active current control technologies, SmartLi can achieve old and new battery mixed use. The imbalanced current in mixed use scenario is below 5%. And in the new scenario with new SmartLi cabinets parallel, the imbalanced current is lower than 2%. SmartLi also has 3-layer BMS system to ensure the reliability. And let's start from the layer 1. And I just opened a battery module. I open the top panel and front panel. There are totally 40 battery cells inside of the module. I will introduce in two parts. The part 1 is the inside design and manufacture craft. Firstly, it's a really compact design and there is no space for the cells. It can eliminate the shake between transportation. Secondly, all the cables are routed very tidy and clean. Also, it can be very easy to do the inspection. Thirdly, in order to make the discharge current ability more stronger, we use the large power laser welding technology instead of the screws. Fourthly, we built isolation boards between cells' positive and negative terminals. It can eliminate the short circuit between the two terminals. And part 2 is the BMS of the third level. Here we can see each of the battery cell has the temperature sensor and a voltage sensor. It means all the battery cells, we detect the temperature and voltage of them, and all the information are collected by this board in the front. And this board can also upload the information to the second layer of the BMS system. This board has another function, which is the balance of the cell voltage. When the cell voltage are balanced, we can increase the utilization of the battery cells. The detection of voltage and current is very precise, and also the voltage balance of each cell is below 20 millivolts. Okay, let's come to the second layer of the BMS system, where all the modules upload the signals to the system, to the module, and we can see the signal cables between modules are designed in redundancy, and it's a loop which can eliminate single point of failure. And the second layer is in the battery management module. It can use the judgment and command all the modules. If the temperature and voltage is out of the normal operating range, it will stop, charge, or discharge. And the first layer is used to manage the cabinet and communicate with UPS or net ecosystems. If there are several cabinets used in parallel, the first layer BMS also can manage all the cabinets. By all the 3-layer BMS and the inside designing of the modules, Huawei SmartLi can achieve really high reliability. Thank you very much.